this video, we will explain atomic arrangement and explain what makes up matter, list what types of particles make up an atom, and calculate all the hydrogen atoms in a group of water molecules. What makes up matter? Atom. What is the definition of an atom? It is the smallest part of an element that still has the properties of the elements. Atoms are made of three types of particles. Here an atom. It consists of three parts or three types of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Proton and neutron cluster at the center is called the nucleus. Here the nucleus present. Here protons and neutrons present in the center of the atom. It is called the nucleus. Electrons, this is electrons, move around the nucleus. The number of protons determine what element an atom will be. Atomic theory. The idea that everything is made of small particles. Atomic arrangement. We have gold, bromine, diamond, and lead. Gold is made of the same type of atoms, has 79 protons. Atoms in a solid are tightly packed. Here gold, and this is the particles, are tightly packed. There is no distance between particles. Bromine, orange-red liquid, evaporates easily. Atoms are connected in pairs. Here, bromine, orange-red liquid, color, and atoms are connected in pairs. Diamond is made of carbon atom. Atoms are connected as pyramids, transparent and very hard, used to make jewels. Here, diamond, transparent and very hard. Atoms are connected as pyramids and used to make jewels. Lead is made of carbon atom and atoms are connected as flat sheets, soft and black. The lead of the pencil is made of graphite. This is the lead of the pencil is made of graphite, soft and black, and connected as flat. Atoms are connected as flat sheets. Diamond and lead, they are made of carbon atom, but atoms are connected as pyramids. Diamond, atoms are connected as flat sheets, will produce lead, and the lead of the pencil is made of graphite. Compounds. What is the definition? It is a type of matter made of two or more elements. It is a new substance. Example, if we have chlorine molecules, these chlorine molecules, and this is the particles, atoms are connected in pairs, greenish yellow, and it is a poisonous gas. When react with sodium atoms, this is sodium atoms, solid, and this is the particles arranged tightly packed. Soft metal. It is a soft metal and can be cut with knife. When react with each other, react strongly and then produce table salt. This is a table salt, ordinary table salt. This is the particles. And white solid, not poisonous, and it will produce sodium chloride. So chlorine molecules plus sodium atom will produce sodium chloride as ordinary table salt. This is a new substance. Chlorine molecules, this is a substance, plus another substance, it will produce new substance. So compounds, it is a type of matter, this matter with this matter, made of two or more elements. This element with this element will produce a new substance. This is a gas, this is a solid, will produce white solid. This is greenish yellow, and here this metal. When react with each other, react strongly and made a new substance which is called table salt. Molecule. It is the smallest particles of a compound that still has the properties of that compound. Example, water molecules have 3 atoms. Sugar have many atoms. Changing the number, kind, or position of the atoms in a molecule would result in a molecule of different substance. Here, water molecules. It contains 1 atom of oxygen. This is 1 atom of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen. Water molecules H2O contain 2 atoms of hydrogen. This 1 atom of hydrogen and the second atom of hydrogen, and contain only 1 atom of oxygen. This is water molecule. Water molecule has 3 atoms, 1, 2, 3 atoms.